Okay, guys, now we will learn about, or we will discuss about the topic of algebra in secondary 1-1. Okay, so for secondary 1-1, I will give you an even number, even explanation. Okay, all the even number, and you may ask me directly whenever you have any question for this part. Let's do number 14a. Okay, look at the word properly. Add 8 to a number k, right? Add 8 to the number k and multiply the sum by 5 and subtract this from the result. Oh, it's a level sentence. Okay, layered sentence. Ada beberapa lapis. So add 8 to a number k, so k plus 8 or 8 plus k, up to you, and multiply the sum by 5. You multiply the sum by 5. You put 5 here, right? And subtract 2k from the result, minus 2k bracket minus 1. That's it, right? So first thing first, 8 to the number k, and then you multiply by 5. Okay, Ms. Rans, if I want to move the 5 to the left side, can I? Yes, of course, and it will be easier. And then subtract, then multiply the sum by 5, this sum by 5, right? And then subtract 2k minus 1 from the result. But you have to, do you have to simplify this? No, it's not asked. So just like this. Okay, now B. The total amount Kate had initially if she has 420 left after buying 7 pencils at P cents each. Okay, so the total amount of Kate had initially. Jadi dia sebelum beli pen, ini left-nya apa nih artinya? Kembaliannya ya. So initialnya berarti leftover, the remaining, plus the amount of pencil or pens, right? The value of pens, right? So what is left? $4.2 plus 7 times P, right? Because 7 pencils at P cents each, 7P. Or you can just write 4.2 without any units plus 7 times P, right? This is quite confusing, but you know how to do. Okay, now the profit that Ethan earns. Okay, what is profit? Profit means buy minus sell, right? Okay, what is the amount of buy? X apples, he buys X apples at Y plus 3 cents each. So the buying is X times Y plus 3 because the amount of apple times the amount of money he has to pay for each apple. Subtract 2.5 to Y minus 5 each. So he also sold X apples, right? X times 2Y minus 5. This is complicated. Yeah. Pay attention and make sure you know everything I teach you. But if you don't know, ask me. Okay. The loss. Okay, same thing. The loss will be buy, sell minus buy, right? Dia jual, terbalik ya. Sorry, terbalik guys. Profit itu dia jual lebih mahal. Ya, sell minus buy. Oke. Ini terbalik semua. Sorry guys. Oke, harus dibenerin ya. Profit apa? Dia kalau untung artinya apa? Jual, sell, subtract buy. Okay, what is sell? Sells at 2y minus 5 each. So x times 2y minus 5, subtract x times y plus 3. That's it. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. But if you're not asked to do simplification, no need, just like this, and it's already 100% right. Buy minus sell, right? So loss will be buy minus sell. What is buy? N at 2x each. So n times 2x or 2x times n or 2nx, up to you. Alphabetical order, subtract with n minus x times n, right? Because n microchips that he sold also, and subtract n minus x. That's how you do for word problems. Now, number 16. If you have any problem, if you have any question, just ask me. Don't hesitate to ask. Now, given that a equals 2, c equals -1, d equals 5, e equals -4, how do you do this? Okay, just change a equals 2, subtract c -1, bracket d minus e, 5 minus -4, right? Move everything or change everything by the number. So 2 plus 1, 5 plus 4, right? So 2 plus 1, 9. So 9 means 9 itself, right? Because if you don't have any sign, it is multiplication. So 2 plus 9. So it is 11. See, piece of cake, right? Now, B, equal, put equal, 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 and equal. No question B. 2e, 2 times negative 4 minus a over c square minus 1 square minus d times e, right? So what is 2 times negative 4? It is negative 8 minus 2 over negative 1 square is 1. What is negative 5 times negative 4? Plus 20, right? So negative 11 over 21. That's it. Okay, I will give you the answer later. I will put it in Word. Let me know whenever you have any question. Okay. How is it? Is it hard? Hello? There's no response. Can you hear me, guys? Hello? Everyone, please respond. Anyone? Siapa aja respons ya?
Yes.
Okay. I just want to make sure that you understand all and you hear all my explanation because I'm afraid that during online learning you bisa nggak fokus ya. Next. Ingat ya, odd number ya. Even number, I'm sorry. Kalau even number berarti ini gue buang, pindahin ke atas sih. Terus ini kita buang-buang ya, even yang odd kita buang-buangin aja biar jadi ada tempat buat bikin sih. Biar belajar juga di sini. Loh, ini banyak ya, tapi nggak usah, nggak apa-apa, nanti ada videonya kok, tenang aja. So next. Oh, piece of cake. Find the value of 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 when x equals negative 3. Oke, masukin. 2 times negative 3 minus 1, 2 times negative 3 plus 1, right? 2 times negative 3 plus 3, right? So what is the value? 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 minus 1, close. Negative 6 plus 1, close. And negative 6 plus 3, close, right? So negative 6 minus 1.
Negative 7.
Yeah, good. And then next.
Negative 5.
Oh, cepat juga deh. Berapa?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So what is negative 7 times negative 5? 35, right? And then multiply by negative 3. Aduh, berapa? 105. Lupa negatif. Ya, gitu caranya ya. Okay, 20. Oh,
I almost forget that we must do times.
yes, that's it. So if you don't have any sign, you times. Okay, x is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 5 over negative 2 plus 7 minus, aduh capek nih, minus 3 negative 2 square. Ya, that's how you think of the number that you need to do. Nah, kecilin, pendekin, biar enak ya, ke bawah ada paralel tuh, paralel ya. 3x squared. So negative 7 over 5, right? Minus 3 times 4. See, aduh, susah ya. Negative 7 over 5 minus 12, right? Because you multiply first. This is the first priority. Over 1. OMG. Times 5 times 5. So negative 7 minus 60 over 5, right? So negative 67 over 5. So negative 13, 2 over 5. You can do fast like this. If you don't want to do the mixed fraction, it's okay. Until this is enough. Until this part is okay. Okay. So for number 2, 22 also applies this rule. Yeah. 3a square. So 3 times negative 2 square, right? Because the a is negative 2 times b. Wait, I think I need to put it here biar kelihatan. Negative 2 square times b times c over 2b minus 3c, apa ya? Minus b c, ya, ini di sini ya. Jadi semuanya tinggal ganti angka-angkanya. And this is pure math. Pure mathematical working. No algebra anymore. So 3 times 4, langsung aja ya. 12 times 3 times negative 5, pelan-pelan, over 6 plus 15. Kenapa plus? Soalnya 2 times 3 kan 6. Negative 3 times negative 5 is plus 15. Minus 3 times minus 5, negative 15 over minus 2. Ya. So, ini. Cross-cross, beres kan? Terus yang atas, aduh capek. 12 times 3, 36 times negative 5, negative 180. Over 21 minus 15 over 2. Okay, I don't want to do this. You bikin sendiri. Do it your own. Do it yourself. Karena ini udah bukan algebra lagi. Nah, yang number 24 ini agak challenging, guys. You perhatiin ya. I need to prepare myself also to teach the easiest way to you. Okay, given that x plus 5y over 5x minus 7y equals 1 over 4, find the value of x when y equals negative 3. How can you do this? So, kan x-nya nggak tahu, ya udah taruh aja. Plus 5 times negative 3, y-nya yang you ganti. 5x minus 7 times negative 3, right? Equals 1 over 4. See? And then, so x minus 15 over 5x plus 21 equals 1 out of 4. Now, how can you do this? Again, if we deal with the fraction, you learn the cross multiplication. Ini baru, ya. Oke, tapi ada beberapa yang udah bisa gitu ya. Multiplication. How do you do the cross multiplication? Gini. Ya, cross namanya cross kan. Cross artinya kali, silang. Ya. So, x minus 15 times 4. So, I put 4 on the left side, lebih gampang. Equals 1 times the number itself. Ya udah, 1-nya you buang aja. Beres. So, kalau udah ketemu gini, kita belajar yang rainbow. Remember, distributive law. 4x minus 60 equals 5x plus 21. Right? And then you put the x on the left side. Remember, ingat ya yang algebra ini ya. You move the side, change to the left. So 4x minus 5x, ini 21 keep, plus 60. So negative x equals 81. So x will be negative 81. Ya, itu caranya. Oke, I'll send this to you. Wih, belang-belang gambarnya. Oke, taruh lagi sini. Next. I will do the even number. Ingetin nih, even. Nah, ini even mau bikin semuanya kagak bakal. Ini juga nggak mau bikinin. Stres gue bikin semua. Ya, wasting time. Oke, pokoknya even dulu ya. Ini pindahin dulu dikit ke atas. Iya, muat kayaknya. Oke, saya bikin sebagian-sebagian aja ya. Since this is even, I will do this. Yang susah-susah aja, yang gini lah ya, biar lebih ketahuan, biar lebih kayak enhancing your logic. So for number 26A, bagaimanakah gerangan? Bentar. Oke, I will erase this because biar ada tempat. Ini juga. Nah, enak nih bikinnya. Iya. Nah, enak dah, langsung mantap. Okay, there you go. I'll move this a bit on top of it. Okay. There you go. Enak kan lihatnya? Okay, so for number 26, hey, piece of cake. Why it is piece of cake? You just do the multiplication easily. Kali aja 10x, right? Minus 35y. And then minus 4, ingat minus 4 times y, minus 4y. Minus 4 times negative 3x plus 12x. Right? Udah. Kalau udah diapain? Collecting the like terms. Ya. So 10x plus 12x becomes 22x. Collecting the like terms, ingat?
Minus 39.
Thank you, Karin. Negative 39y. Okay. Okay, we continue. Next, G. How to do G? We have some layer of brackets. So we have to do one by one. The innermost bracket. There you go. So sisanya apa? Ditulis dulu. Ya, 3x, 4x, minus 2x, minus 6y. Ya, close bracket. So yang curly bracket udah curve bracket udah hilang, udah nggak ada. Ya. So bagusin dulu sebelum kita beresin bracketnya. Oke. What is 4x minus 2x? Oh, ada nih like terms. Langsungnya 2x, 4 minus 2 kan? Minus 6y, tutup bracket. Terus minus ya, berarti if you do the minus, don't forget to put this. Minus 2x, rainbow lagi, minus minus plus 6y. Okay, so do slow. Don't do too fast. If you do too fast, you bisa salah banget. Ini gabung lagi. X minus 2x. Yaudah, negatif x, right? Plus 6y. Ini 7x subtract kurung lagi bracketnya. Bracketnya kita nggak buang, nggak ganti. Ya, so 7x plus x minus 6y. So 7x plus x jadi 8x gitu ya. Dan lupa kasih tanda, lupa di highlight. Nah, yang H gimana? Sama guys. Lihat ya. Innermost bracket 6a and this, right? So we can 3c minus ya, jangan lupa ada minus ya. Minus 6a minus 6 times minus 2 plus 12c. Tulis ulang semuanya. Oke, pelan-pelan aja nih. So 8a minus 2a, ada yang lagi di dalam nih. Oh, oke, ada yang like terms. So if you have the like terms, combine 15c minus 6a, right? So 8a minus 2a, buka, kasih bracket ya, jangan lupa ya, bracketnya nggak boleh dihilangin, bisa salah ntar. Minus 15c plus 6a. Oke, so 2a plus 6a berapa? 8a minus 15c. Open lagi bracketnya. Capek ya. Tapi ya memang ini. This is how the way it works. It has to be worked out. So 8a open minus 8a plus 15c. Oke, langsung 0. Oh, 0 ya. 8a minus 8a. Ya udah jawabannya langsung 15c itself. Oke. Oh,
Mister,
yes.
itu yang tadi yang sebelumnya itu dari sebelum H itu yang tadi sebelum H.
G.
Ya kok itu dari 3N bisa langsung kan N doang.
Oh iya ya. Lu bener. I did something wrong here. Thank you Karin. Ininya ya. Sih.
Ya.
Oke. Thanks a lot. Salah semua nih. OMG. Oke, thank you. Error tadi. Salah taruh. Thanks Karin. Untungnya ingetin. Duh, tebel banget. Nah, berarti ini x plus 6y ya. Right? 3x minus 2x. Berarti 7x minus x minus 6y. Right? Berarti 6x minus 6y. Done. Oke, lanjut. Yang ini. Thank you, Karin. I owe you one question. So, again, innermost. Innermost ada dua. Ini sama ini. See? Sama-sama yang levelnya yang curly bracket. Curve bracket, I mean. Curve itu kurung lengkung ya. So, 14x minus pelan-pelan. Nah, ini agak ribet nih. 18/3, 6 kan. Terus plus, nah ini pelan-pelan banget. 2/3 times 21.
14y.
14 ya. Times 21 kan. Kan jadi 7. Ya, 14 jadinya. 14y. Terus ini juga minus 2x minus 2y. See, everything is not fraction anymore. So, select the like terms. Ayo. Berapa nih Karin? Atau yang lain mau jawab langsung boleh. X-nya dulu.
8x.
Yup, nice, thank you. Hah? Salah kayaknya. 6x. Right? Kan 14x minus 6x kan 8x. Langsungin aja minus 2x ya.
Oh itu ada 2x.
Nggak apa-apa. Yang penting itu. Yang lain juga harus follow ya. Please follow the explanation here. 14y minus 2y. Minusnya ada di sini. Jadi jangan sampai jadi 16y salah.
Plus 12y.
Yeah. And then are we done? Almost. Not at all.
That fraction.
Ya, kali lagi. Aduh, half times 6, 3x. Half times 2,
6y.
6y. Half times 12, I mean. Done. Capek ya. Baru satu. Next. Nah, ini dia. There are 4 consecutive even number and second number is given by n. Ada 4 angka. Yeah, we have 4 numbers. Right? 4 consecutive. Consecutive means berurutan. And the second number is given by n. This is the first, second, third, fourth. Right? The second number is n. What is the first number? Ada yang bisa langsung jawab nggak? Gimana guys? Ini word problem so agak susah ya. Kalau you tahu konsekutif kan berurutan. Urutan misalnya 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on ya. Start from 0 of course. So ini namanya konsekutif. 10, 12, 14, 16, right? Nah, berarti for even number, the previous number will be always 2 less than the number. And the next number will be 2 more than the number, right? So, yang first number berarti jadinya gimana? N subtract 2, right? Kurang 2 dari, ya. Next lagi.
N plus 2.
Cool.
N plus 4.
Mantap. Mantap. Oke, yang lain harus bisa ya. Because plus 2 ini yang question A aja. Now, find the sum of the 4 numbers in terms of n. Ya udah ditambahin semuanya. N minus 2 plus n the second number plus the third number plus the fourth number. Right? First, second, third, fourth. So, tambahin semua. Like terms, n-nya ada 4. So, 4n. Minus 2 plus 2 hilang. Ya, minus 2 sama plus 2, 0. Oke, sisanya plus 4. Then we are done. Oke. Bagaimana? Yes.
Sir, itu bedanya selalu 2 atau gimana?
Selalu 2, kan even. Berurutan. Kalau odd juga 2, you lihat ya. 3, 5, 1, 3, 5.
Iya kan beda 2.
Ya, selalu 2 bedanya kan? Ya nggak? Wait. Ngerti ya? Tadi yang nanya siapa? Lisa?
Iya, ngerti.
Okay, so go to the left also, minus 2. For both even and odd number. Odd number kan bukan 2 itu even, tapi difference-nya 2. Ya, we look at the difference. Duh, saking semangatnya, tutup kuahnya jatuh. Oke, next. 30. Ini dia word problem. The problem on word problems. The problem on math is always the word problem on math. Okay, here. Rapiin biar muat tempatnya. I don't know whether I have enough space here. So a shopkeeper bought 120 apples at 8 cents each. Ya. Tandai dulu biar nggak bingung. Ini. Okay. And then nextnya 180 orange at k cents each. He packed into 2 apples and 3 oranges each and sold the bag for 3h plus k cents. Write down in terms of each the amount of money he spent on fruit. Dia beli dulu kan. Berarti yang part 1 dia beli untuk yang siapa? Untuk yang apple sama yang orange. Ya pastilah ya. What else? Apple, green apple plus orange, dark orange. Oke, dia belinya 120 apple at each. Ya udah, apple-nya langsung ketahuan 120h, right? Plus orange-nya berapa? Orange-nya 180k, selesai. Ini spend-nya. Dia beli dulu sebelum dijual kan. See? He buy first before he sell. And the total amount which he sold all the bags of fruits. Total amount of money he get. So the The money that he will get. Money from selling, right? Jadi ini beli, dia buang duit dulu. Ini buy ya, buy. And this is sell. Sell will be 2 apples, 3 oranges. So each bag. Oh, okay. Ini rada susah, guys. He sold all the bags of fruits. How many bags? Ini coba lihat. Kalau 120 apples buat jadi 2 apples, how many bags of fruits? Kita harus cari bag-nya dulu dong. Bag times the price of bag. Price of each. Ini kebetulan enak, guys. 120 divide by 2. Jadi 60 bags. 180 divide by 3 juga 60. Oh ya udah benar, berarti amount of bags-nya 60. Yeah, because 120 divided by 2 and 180 divided by 3 is equal. Same. It is providing the same amount of bag, 60. So 60 times price of each, 3H minus 4K. Plus 4K, I'm sorry. Kok minus? Ini ya dikali ya. And then you can do the simplification. Rainbow, 180H plus 240K. Okay. Ngerti nggak? Yang nggak ngerti langsung nanya. Yang susah itu yang kedua. Yang pertama gampang banget. Ini kali aja beres kan. But for the second, it's harder. Why? Because you have to find the amount of bags. Since the amount of bags are equal, 120 divided by 2 is 60, 180 divided by 3 is 60. This is one bag. Jadi satu bag itu ada apple-nya ada 2, ada orange-nya 3 gitu ya. Ini one bag. How many bags? Kalau dia beli 120 ya udah 120 divided by 2 60, 180 divided by 3 60 juga. Kalau beda gimana? Nggak bisa, harus sama ya. Kalau beda ya you buang yang sisanya. Okay, the amount he earned from selling, ini profit dong berarti ya. How do you calculate profit? Profit will be sell minus buy, right? Sell-nya ini 180H plus 240K subtract amount of buy 120H plus 180K. Ingat kalau subtract harus bracket. So 180H plus 240K, open the bracket, minus 120H minus 180K. Ya, udah dapat. Which is the like terms? 180H 120. So 60H. And then here 240 minus 180 plus 60K. Udah. Beres. Ya, totally done. But hard. Ya, ini susah banget deh.
Mister, I don't get it from the bags thing. What do you mean by 60?
Jadi gini, kan dia belinya berapa? 120 apples and 180 orange, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, dia di-pack lagi. He packed them into bags which could contain 2 apples and 3 oranges. Jadi dia jualnya bukan jual putus, bukan jual semua pisah-pisah, dia jual begini. Ya. Jadi ada berapa banyak bags-nya? Ini satu bag nih, satu tas gitu. Kalau dia punya modal kan awalnya 120 apples and 180 oranges, right?
Yeah.
Divide aja, dibagi. 60 kan? 120 divided by 2, 60 bags. 180 divided by 3 juga 60 bags. Right? Kan dia mau jualan. Jualnya pasti nggak mungkin satu bag dong, kan dia mau belinya banyak, masa jual cuma satu begini. Ya. Make sense nggak?
Oh, okay.
Oke, terus harga satunya, price of each bag will cost 3H plus 4K cents. Berarti 60 times 3H plus 4K, ya ini times kan. Times, I don't put the times here. Langsung aja. Oke, gitu caranya. Agak ribet, iya. I have to admit this is so ribet. So you have to pay attention. Pay extra attention in this question. Masih banyak, guys. Tapi kayaknya nggak bakal sampai sesusah itu ya. Even ya, ingat even. Oke, pindahin dulu. Do fractional. Sebenarnya advance tuh sama aja, guys. Samanya di mana? Samanya di sini, di apa namanya kayak apa ya?
Sama-sama matematika.
Bukan, nggak gitu loh. Sama apa ya? Sama levelnya beda aja, lebih banyak aja yang harus dikerjain gitu. Oke. Oke, ini ya. Terus ini juga sama, nggak bikin semua dah. Tuh, di factorize ya. Kalau factorize artinya cari yang sama. Find the like terms, and then what you can divide by, and then you divide by. Oke. Ini aja, kenapa kayak tadi? Ini aja langsung. Wait. Oke, yuk kita mulai ya. Express. Ingat, different denominator. Multiply. 3, 4. Jadi 12. Ya kan, berarti kali 4, kali 4. Ini kali 3, kali 3. Right? And then 4 times 3 langsungnya 12, bracket x minus 2, plus, ini kan 3 times 2, 6, bracket x plus 3. Right? And then over 12. Yaudah, karena 12-nya sama gitu. Yuk ngapain pisah-pisah gitu ya. Because it's already same in denominator. So 12x minus 12, minus 24, I mean, because you do the rainbow multiplication. And then next, 6x plus 18, right? Over 12. Okay. 2x minus plus 6x. 18x. Negative 24 plus 18, negative minus 6. Over 12. Okay? Done. But if you want to continue, bisa banget guys. You factorize yang atas. What number you can divide by? You bisa bagi berapa? Yang di atas? 6. That's right, because 18x and 6. So 6 buka. 18x divided by 6, 3x. Negative 6 divided by 6, minus 1. Terus bisa diapain lagi?
6 nanti.
Iya. Udah, simplest form langsung. So the answer will be 3x minus 1 over 2. Nah, yang ini gampang banget. Kenapa gampang? Because you have to think of only one denominator. Ini kan 12 kan, ya udah. Ngapain lu jadiin times 12 times 4? What are you doing? Times 3 ya, yang paling benar ya. Oke. So jadinya berapa nih? Saya taruh begini aja ya. 15 bracket 3x plus 1 over 12, right? Minus 7 bracket 5x minus 3, right? You lihat, gampang nggak? Gampang ya, karena 3 times 5 dulu. And then 45x plus 15 minus 7 times 5 minus 35x plus 21 over 15. Over 12, I mean. So 45 minus 35 is 10x, right? Collecting the like terms. And 15 plus 21 is 37. 36 over 12. Can you simplify yang atas? Selain Karin, ada yang lain nggak? Bisa jawab. What number can you divide by? Yuk. Bisa dibagi berapa nih?
2.
Ya, Karin lagi. Oke, 2 ya.
Perdiam.
Ya, makanya yang lain fokus ya. Takutnya yang lain bikin pelajaran lain loh. I hate that too much. So please don't do anything else. Like kalau di pelajaran orang lain ada yang kerjain math juga, benci banget sama orang kayak gituan. Don't do that at all ya. Laporin ke gurunya ntar biar dikurangin. Jangan ya. Oke, udah. Next. Oh, so many fraction. Oke, kalau nggak ada begini, kalau ada satu ini, negative 1 over 1 aja, kita ganti dulu. Ya, kita bagusin dulu. See, negative 1 over 1. How about this? Oke, over 1. Ya, jadi biar apa? Biar seragam. Atau pindahin dikit ke atas, I want to move a bit on top, so it is more simple. Udah. Terus, wah, ada bolong nih. Udah, kita isi dulu. Biar enak dilihat. Oke, ini over 1. Oke, next, baru kita proses. Yaudah, yang kiri dulu ya, tadi lupa. 7 and 5, 35 ya. So, 35, 35. And then ini 5, 5, ini 7, 7. Okay, the working is much. So, negative 35. Ya kan? 35 times negative 1. Ini overnya 35. Ini kan minus nih. So, minus 5 times 3, 15. X plus 1. And then 7 times 4, 28. 2x minus 1. What next? Negative 35 minus 15x. See, do it slowly. Minus 15 minus 56x plus 28 over 35. Get it? Next. Like terms. Negative 50 minus 28, negative 22. Negative 15x minus 56, negative 71x over 35. Okay, you cannot do anything. You can do anything. You can't do anything else. Why? Because this is 71. It's already simple. Next. Oke, ini lebih enak angkanya, lebih kecil. Why? It's only 4 and 3. 4, 1, 3, 12. So ini 4. Ini 3 ya, I'm sorry. This is 3. 3. This is 4. 4. This is 12. 12, right? So what is the answer? 9x plus minus 21. Ini kan over 12 ya. Ini kan minus 12 ya. Ini minus 12 ya tadi ya. Minus 12 bracket x minus 5. Slowly. Minus 4 bracket x minus 1. Slowly. Jangan langsung. Kalau langsung bisa susah, bisa salah takutnya. So this will be minus 12x. Right? And then plus 60. Open the bracket. Minus 4x plus 4. You lihat. You kalau misalnya nggak bisa nih dari awal. Aduh, nggak bisa banget nih Mr. Hans. Ngajarnya kok susah banget. Here, I will give you the idea. When you look at what I explain, what is my explanation, on and on, terus-terusan, continuously, so you can get the idea what to do next when you have to do it on your own. So please, paying attention, not always, it is always good for you, okay? So, like terms, 9x minus 12x.
Min 7x. You said x.
Soalnya ada ini ya. Oke, thanks. Langsung deh Karin, ayo. Nggak kayak gini ini. Ya, langsung dapat. Ya, kan negative 21 plus 60 kan 39. 39 plus 4 is 43. Done. Okay. Done. Now, look at the question properly. Factorize. What is factorize? Finding the like terms. Ini udah ada yang sama nih. Yuk perhatiin guys. X plus 3 sama X plus 3. Ya udah X plus 3-nya lu buang aja. Right? Sisanya berapa? Y plus 2. Doang. Udah selesai. Don't think too much about factorization. Ya, cari yang sama. This is like terms also. X, Y minus 2, Y minus 2. Oke, Y minus 2 keluarin sisanya 3x minus 4, right? Gitu caranya guys, 3x minus 4. Nah, ini yang sama siapa? Yuk. Ini kan. Keluarin.
X sama Y-nya. X.
Enggak dong, ini kan 3x minus 4, ini x.
Oh ya. Oh ya.
Cari yang sama di dalam bracketnya. Ya. So what is the rest? 3x minus y subtract x minus y, right? Ini tuh sisanya doang, sisanya. The rest, the remaining that you keep, you have to put it like this. Okay, so 3h plus 4k, ya udah ini open bracket aja. 3x minus y minus x plus y, right? Open bracketnya kayak tadi ya, ini minus x plus y. So 3h plus 4k, 3x minus x is 2x. Minus y plus y, hilang. Ya udah, 2x aja, beres. Oke, ini juga sama. 3p plus 2q minus r. See, it's same, so get rid of it. Kelihatannya susah banget, tapi ternyata gampang. Ya. And then the rest
cuma kayak gini, factorize.
Iya, kalau dia bisa ya. Kalau nggak bisa, ya udah mau nggak mau pelan-pelan.
Jadi kalau itunya 12 samping itu ada yang sama,
ya,
cuma kayak gini.
Kelihatannya susah kan angkanya. Tapi kalau gini ya, kayak gini Karin. For example, I will give you some example that you cannot do at all. You cannot do the factorization like that. 30x minus 20y. Ya udah, ini cari angkanya ya. Atau enggak xy gitu. Okay, what is the number? 30 and 20. Pikir 10, right?
10x.
Ada x-nya lagi. Oke, 10x. Berarti 30x divided by 10x, 3 itself, right?
3, ya.
Ini negative 20xy minus 20 divided by
negative 2y.
2y. Udah, ini yang kalau misalnya nggak bisa. Ini kebetulan kayak, loh, ini kok kayaknya gampang banget. Padahal
Ini lebih mudah, astaga.
ini lebih gampang malah yang ini. Oke, tapi ini masih bisa, guys. 5, ya kan? Ini bisa cabut 5-nya. Sih? Nah, ya agak ribet dikit lah. Terus 5-nya bisa pindah ke depan. Kan times kan. If you times, you can put anywhere. Right? Oke, ini aja. Udah. Oke. Dan. Kelihatannya susah, tapi masih bisa kerjain. Next. One hour ya, jadi nggak lebih ya. Kalau kurang ya udah. Ini buang-buangin dulu. Wah, ini udah advance ya. Udah bukan intermediate lagi. Pindah. Okay, now. Ethan is now 5 times as old as Raj. If the sum of their age in X years time is X years, find Raj present age. Apa ini soal? Dilihat ya. Ethan, jadi Ethan berapa? 5 times Raj, ya, right? So Ethan is 5R. If the sum of their ages in 5 years, berarti 5 tahun lagi gitu. Jadi kalau Raj, let's say ada Ethan sama Raj ya. Ethan 5 Raj. Raj ya udah Raj itself, right? In 5 years time, berarti ini kan now. Next-nya berapa? Kalau in 5 years time. Ya 5R plus 5, si Raj juga plus 5 gitu. Is X years find Raj present age. So ini kalau ditambahin nilainya X. So 5R plus 5 plus, ini si Ethan kan, R plus 5, si Raj yang after 5 years equals X. So find Raj present age. Oke, kita masukin dulu. 6R, 5R plus R berarti 6R plus 10 equals X. Yang ditanya R. R-nya berapa? What is the R? So 6R equals X. Move the 10 to the right side, minus 10. Ini kayaknya nggak ada di post test ya. Nggak kasih lah. Too much. Terlalu susah, guys. Ya. Tapi bisa. Udah discuss. Tapi bisa masuk juga berarti kalau udah di-discuss. Ya. Oke. Ini saya bikin satu aja deh. Yang atas aja ya. Oke. Subtract A. The sum of this and this from this. Oke, subtract dulu. Berarti ini dulu yang kita jadiin fokus. Ya. So, for A, 7A cubed minus 4A squared minus 9 subtract the addition of this, the sum of this. Oke, bracket 3A squared plus 5A minus 4 plus A cubed minus 5A squared plus 8. Oke, masukin lagi. Finding the like terms. Right? A cube nggak ada temen. Ya udah. 3A squared minus 5A squared minus 2A squared. 5A plus 5A minus 4 plus 8 plus 4. And then open the bracket slowly but sure. Minus A cubed plus 2A squared minus 5A minus 4. My goodness. So, like terms again. 6A cubed. Sorry, masih ada nih. 7A cubed minus 4A cubed. 3A cubed. 3A cubed minus 1A cubed is 2A cubed. Plus 2A square. Taruhnya A square dulu biar enak. Minus 5A. And then minus 9, minus 4, minus 13. Done. Ya. Yang ini nggak usah. Ya, nggak kasih. So, we are done for today. So, semuanya nanti bakal harus bikin homeworknya ya. Ini Karin udah kumpul ya, Karin?
Iyalah.